is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one. It came from an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a nice fat discount. Ooh yeah. This is a it's supposed to be a healthy noodle. This one has mochi. Now, it doesn't come with mochi. It comes with noodles that have mochi in them, which is supposed to make them more chewy. So, there you go. Of course, I had to butcher the bowl. So we will use this pot for steeping our noodles today. Thank you. I'm glad you like that. Here's the wet seasoning. Here's the solid bits that will go in immediately. And here's what the noodle block looks like. And we got this one. I need scissors for this sucker. Scissors! Oh, there you are. Oh boy. Well, I realized something after the last episode. The last episode came out not only on Inauguration Day, but my sister's birthday. Happy birthday to my sister yesterday. In your temporal future, this is December, 14th, where I am in my temporal domain. So, soon, it will be where... Come on, there you go. Soon it'll be where you are, but for now, it is where I am. But, yeah, the inauguration and all that, I thought the best thing to do, since, you know, you have a new government, I'd wear my shirt. I have never worn this on on this show. So I got it at a thrift store. It's my Peking University shirt. I'm sure a lot of people think the only person who won out of this whole thing was China. Oh, come on now. I feel like I won. I voted for him. But, yeah. That guy's gone now. That guy that I said I wouldn't talk about anymore. Today is the first day that coronavirus vaccines are going out around the U.S. So hopefully things are getting better. Anyways, it's time for our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks, a compendium of quotes by the inventor of instant noodles. Let's see, I'm on 109. No. We're on 110. 111. No. Number 112. We should strive to make products that create new markets instead of here today, gone tomorrow hit products. Okay. Making some quick progress in this book. I've been doing 3 reviews a day a lot lately, and it's been pretty good. But yeah, I got out, did my walking. Did a short amount of walking today, actually, because I got review stuff done before. But yeah, it was good. Good day. Rainy and dark. That's kind of the downside today. It is really dark and rainy lately, folks, and it makes it very hard to get good pictures for reviews. But we shall see if maybe I can pull some light out of somewhere to make it happen. Went to get some Christmas presents over at the old 99 Ranch Market yesterday. I was waiting in line. This lady, actually it was a nice older couple. They were there buying their stuff, and they were checking out. And the lady who was running the cash register, just out of nowhere, I'm like standing there, I'm next. And just like all of a sudden, declined! And the two older folks are like looking at her like, what are you talking about? Declined? Basically, her credit card was declined. But it was like, I want to say she shouted it like 20 times. Declined! Card declined! It's like, you know, not everybody likes that. Kind of embarrassing. I don't know. But it seemed like at the end of all of it, the couple figured out what was going on and probably just couldn't understand what was going on. I don't know. But finally she was approved and not declined. Yeah. So that's good. And yeah, I got some noodles, got some curry for my friends, and I have to get something. Yeah, I wonder what I got my sister for her birthday. For Inauguration Day. I wonder how that went too. Wow. How is it, future? Was it insane? Was there just like a huge anti-Biden rally there? Arrests and insanity? I hope not. I wish everybody could just get along. Why can't everyone just get along? It's a valid question. People should just be nice. Play by the rules. I guess that's just too much to ask these days, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. And they just had a... What was it? They had like an anti-Trump rally in... Was that what it was? Or a pro-Trump rally? I can't remember, but it was in Olympia here in Washington State. Yeah. Olympia is the capital of Washington. And somebody got shot. It's like... Freedom to assemble, ladies and gentlemen, is not about how crazy you can get. Freedom to assemble has nothing to do with the Jerry Springer show. Just remember that. Freedom of protest, you know, it doesn't mean just like protest these people and those people and start shooting. I can't wait till I'm able to get the vaccine, by the way. I saw some pretty obvious BS about it, saying that it's made out of babies, aborted babies. No, I really don't think that's the case. I'm not a pharmacologist or anything, but I can kind of have. I really don't think that that's what you use to make such things. Miles is out there desperately trying to get Alexa's attention. Some noodles. Cheers. Mm-hmm. It's definitely chewier. And that is imparted from the mochi. The broth, definitely a lot of bonito going on. It's not bad. This is like this dashi kombu broth. It's kind of extra salty. I don't know. It's not bad. It's better than I expected. I'll put it that way. But not my favorite. Miles. Alexa, what do you want her to do? You want to find out what we missed? Alexa, what did I miss? There we go. Well, that didn't go as planned. Anyways, yeah. So... doing the Christmas present thing. It's a lot. It's a lot. I am now officially flat broke. And, yeah, I don't like that. I don't like being flat broke. But that's kind of what the holidays do to you. Ugh, come on. But I feel absolutely wealthy when it comes to beautiful eggs that my wife makes. Some spring onion. And finally, maybe not finally, maybe finally, so, ladies and gentlemen, my wife totally did up the kitchen really nice this weekend, and I'm making a huge mess out of it. She actually helped make a big mess out of it this morning. So it's not just me. The kitchen is addicted to making a mess. How about a little bit of this nice layu spiciness? That is how we roll here at the Ramen Raven. All right, friends, that's the first one of the week, so have at it. Enjoy your noodles, rock and roll, and remember, this is the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and goodbye. Bye.